What's up? Do you have a DSLR battery holder? I've got two of them here. And I actually bought these. Nobody sent them to me. I wanted to have a close look at them. We've got the actual, this is called Think Tank, and it goes for about $17.75. And it holds 4 DSLR batteries in here. And these are holding my Canon 80Ds. The other side has little Velcro pieces here and some nylon. And you close it up, and this way keep track of your batteries so you don't lose them. But this one sells for, like I said, about $17.75. Then you've got Neewer, which sells for $7.99, which is literally half the price almost. And is it better? Is it worse? Is this brand name better? Is Neewer better? Or will it do? The other thing about Neewer is it comes in like 5 colors: black, purple, green, brown, and blue along the edges over here. And this is the black one. Now I like the idea of the colors because I know what's in them, because you don't necessarily have to put batteries in them. I mean, you can literally put some AA's in these, or even some other things if you want. It just doesn't have to be batteries, and the color coding is kind of cool. But when I examine these, okay, and I look at these really close, the build quality of the one that's more expensive here, the Think Tank, the pouches that it's holding the batteries is a really, really thin nylon, and I'm sure it would last a very long time. But when I look at the build quality of the Neewer, it's actually a much thicker nylon. It's not as thin as what the Think Tank is. It feels like there's a couple layers on this, where with this, everything's a lot thinner on the Think Tank, on this one. On the Neewer one packaging here, the packaging is a lot thicker, and I would say it's made better. I really would. I would say it's made better. I mean, it's way cheaper. It's $7.99 for these. They come in 5 colors, and everything from the stitching to the pockets to how it closes is truly made better than the Think Tank Photo DSLR battery holder, which I thought was quite interesting. Normally, you get what you pay for, Normally that's the way it goes. But it's not always true, but in most cases it is. In this case, my personal review, my personal feelings on this, okay, is no. I think the Think Tank, the quality of the material and everything is not made as well as the Neewer. Now, one thing that's different about the Neewer than the Think Tank seems to double sew where the seams are. Is what I noticed all across here, okay? They're double sewing. Where on the Neewer, they're only sewing once across the seams. But I mean, compared to $17.75 to $7.99, I mean, honestly, in 5 colors, I'd rather have the Neewer than the Think Tank. So there you go, guys. Bought with my own money. I won't be buying any more of these. Definitely not. I'll be buying some more of these Neewers. They just look like they're, to me, made better, and they're a whole lot cheaper. Links are in the bottom, guys, if you want to pick yourself up a Neewer, or if you want a Think Tank, if you really like that name. I'll have the link in the bottom for that, too. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget to sub, and I'll see you guys later.